Gulf of Aqaba. So the Gulf of Aqaba, it is also known as the Gulf of Aqaba. It is also known as the Gulf of Aqaba. It is at the northern tip of the Red Sea. It is at the northern tip of the Red Sea, and it is east of the Sinai Peninsula. We saw where is Sinai Peninsula. You know where is Red Sea. You will also know where is your Gulf, Suez Gulf. Okay? And it is to the west of the Arabian Peninsula. The coastline is JC. I will again draw a map for you so that it becomes easy for you to remember. Just look at this. So Gulf of Aqaba, also known as Gulf of Aqaba, it is to the east of the Sinai Peninsula. It is to the west of the Arabian Peninsula. There are countries, that is JC, Jordan, Egypt, Saudi Arabia and Israel. And it is at the northern tip of the Red Sea. It is at the northern tip of the Red Sea. If I draw it here for you, if this is your Africa, this is the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, I am drawing the Africa's map here. Okay, so if I am drawing the Africa's map, this is a little enlarged map. Here we have seen, this is what? This is your Red Sea. This is Red Sea. Okay, this is the Red Sea. Okay, Red Sea. The northern tip of Red Sea, we are seeing this is what? This is the Gulf of Aqaba, and this is the Gulf of Suez. This is the Gulf of Suez. Okay, this is the Gulf of Suez. So please look at this map here. Try to draw this map in your book. So Gulf of Suez, Gulf of Aqaba, Red Sea, etc.